Hi, Tracy here. Today I want to put together a bib. Okay, let me enlarge the little fella. Center. Okay, this will be fairly simple. Select, deselect. Maybe I want something else behind this little elephant. Let me create 2 layers. This will be the leaf. Let me open layer 3 up. But what is on leaf? Okay. They all went to the leaf. They will do that because I didn't lock it. This is the elephant. Put it on layer 3. Lock it. This is the party hat. Party hat. Then the leaf. Now, evidently since I locked those two, I'm working with the party hat. I need to put this layer above layer 3. I'm trying to get the edge of the hat to meet with the edge of the little elephant's head. Okay, I have that way. Let me lock it and work on the leaf. Unlock the leaf. This will be a little background element. It's cute, but I don't care for the leaf. Lock it, get rid of it. The party hat is cute. Let me add text. I want it on its own layer. Put it on the top. Happy birthday, 1 year old. What character do I want? Well, what font do I want? I want a basic font. And it's teeny tiny. Need to enlarge it. Let's say 500. Do I want 1 year old or just 1 year? I think I want just 1 year. Okay. Let me lock the font. I'm going to go ahead on and delete this. Yes, I want to delete it. Unlock these. I want to group it. Reduce the size a little bit. Just a little. Now I want to center it. Not that way. Where did it go with the, I didn't group it. It's too low. Move it up. Okay. The year. Delete that. Okay, let me lock that. Unlock this font. I want to change the color. Pick up a color in the I want to pick up a color in the party hat and use that for the font. Okay, now let me highlight it. Nope, I want that font in the hat. Get my eyedropper tool. Okay, let me just copy it. Cancel it. Now highlight the 1 year. Click here. Control Control B. Okay, let's see. It's cute, but it's not quite what I want. I'll see what background color I can use. Kind of like the pink in the ears, but I don't want it just for a little girl. I want it to be able to be used for a little girl or a little boy. Although I'm still limiting myself with the color, but is there anything else I want to add? Okay, I think I want to use a custom color, and to do that, I had to reduce this little fellow here to more than half of the board size. And I need to leave a little clearance here at the bottom. Now, the question is, what color shall I use? I think maybe one in a little pink and one in a blue. Let me make 2 layers. Deselect that. Let me lock them. I don't want them moving around. I want another layer. Blue background. Okay, let me find a blue. I like that. I'm going to okay, that's my background for the blue. Let me lock it. Unlock my pink. Now I will find a pink. That's cute. Make another triangle. Not triangle, rectangle, excuse me. I said rectangle earlier. Okay, there's my pink for a little girl.